Welcome to the 3-Minute Grammar Challenge. Today, we are mastering the difference between this and these. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. Here is the golden rule. We use this when talking about one single thing. But when there are many things, we use these. Let's see it in action. Look at this stylized 3D blue book sitting on a wooden desk. Since it is just one, we say, "This is my book." Now, look at these stylish 3D sneakers. Because there are two of them, we change our word. We say, "These are my shoes." How about a single bright yellow pencil? Correct. This is a pen. And a pile of shiny red apples? You guessed it. These are apples. It applies to everything. This is my modern smartphone. And for a big collection of teddy bears, we say, "These are my toys." Time for a mini quiz. Look at the screen and fill in the blanks. Is it this or these for the teacher and the friends? Did you get them right? This is my teacher and these are my friends. Great job. You're becoming a grammar pro. That's it for today's lesson. Now you know the secret of this versus these. Follow us for more easy English tips. See you next time.